Hey guys, how's it going? So I thought I'd show you one of my favourite light to medium duty multi-tools. This is the Victorinox Deluxe Tinker. So the tools you've got here, you've got your normal can opener, and then you've got your bottle opener screwdriver, so you've got your main blade, and then you've got your small blade, and then you've got your scissors. These are awesome scissors. And then you have your pliers, and then on the back you've got your Phillips, and then you've got your hook, and you've got your awl. Alright, so I've been carrying this a lot. This has been living in my waist bag. This is very useful. It's not a hugely heavy duty tool, but I find for multi-tools I don't need a hugely heavy duty one, because if I'm doing something really hardcore I'll have the proper tool anyway. So it's just a useful thing. These are almost like a large pair of tweezers, but they are handy, and they're small. They're handy for smaller jobs, and the scissors are really useful as well. I find this is a real good option if you want something that has a few more tools but you don't want a huge knife in your pocket. So this is a 4-layer knife, so I think it's a good compromise between having something that you can carry in your pocket and having something that's got a lot of tools on it. So yeah, I just find this really useful. These are pretty hard to find here in New Zealand, and they retail for about 100. So it's not a cheap investment, but I find that it's a really good knife. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.